Vantrue N2X Dual Dashcam is a premium in-car security solution designed for drivers seeking comprehensive coverage both on the road and inside the cabin. Its high-resolution recording capabilities, advanced night vision, and optional LTE connectivity, it aims to provide peace of mind for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and frequent travelers. Key features: dual-channel recording captures 2.7K resolution footage from the front and 1080p from the cabin simultaneously, ensuring clear video evidence from both perspectives. STARVIS 2 sensors utilizes advanced sensors for enhanced image quality in low-light conditions, coupled with HDR technology to balance exposure in varied lighting scenarios. 5G Wi-Fi and GPS enables fast video transfers and real-time location tracking, providing detailed driving data and easy access to footage via the Vantrue app. 24/7 B-aired parking mode offers continuous monitoring with pre-recording capabilities, capturing events even when the vehicle is unattended. Optional module allows for real-time remote access and cloud storage, enhancing security and convenience for users on the go. Pros: comprehensive coverage. Simultaneous front A interior recording ensures all angles are monitored. Enhanced night ion, infrared LEDs, and STARVIS 2 sensors provide clear footage in low-light conditions. User-friendly app. The Vantrue app facilitates easy video management and device settings adjustments. Flexible connectivity, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and optional LTE MUL offer versatile options for video access and storage. Cons: resolution limitations. While the front camera offers 2 resolution, some users have noted that the interior camera's 1080p footage may lack detail in certain scenarios. Additional costs: the Optal LTE module and Hardwire G kit are sold separately, potentially increasing the overall investment. Installation complexity: powering the device for 24/7 parking mode may require professional installation to ensure proper setup and avoid battery drain. Value for money: priced at $99.99, the Vantrue N2X offers a robust set of features suitable for a range of driving needs. While the base package provides essential functionalities, the optional accessories like the LTE module and hardwiring kit can enhance the device's capabilities, albeit at an additional cost. Considering the comprehensive coverage and NZ features, the N2X presents a competitive option in its price range. Comparison with competitors: when paired to other dashcams in its class, SH as the Garmin Dashcam 66W and the Blackview DR750X-2CH, the Vantrue N2X stands out with its dual-channel recording and optional LTE connectivity. However, some competitors may offer higher resolution interior cameras or more seamless integration with cloud services. It's important to assess your specific needs and BT when choosing the right dashcam for your vehicle. Build quality and longevity. The Vantrue N is constructed with durable materials designed to withstand varying temperatures and driving conditions. While long-term reliability data is limited, the inclusive features like buffered parking mode and optional LTE connectivity suggests a focus on providing continuous protection. Regular firmware updates and customer support are available to address any potential issues and ensure the device's longevity. Customer support. Vantrue offers customer support through various channels, including email and online forums. Users have reported mixed experiences with response times and resolution. It's advisable to consult the user manual and online resources for troubleshooting before reaching out to support. The availability of firmware updates indicates ongoing efforts to improve product performance and user satisfaction. Who it's for? The Vantrue N2X is ideal for rideshare drivers for comprehensive coverage for both the D and passengers. Commuters offers peace of mind with continuous monitoring during DY drives. Frequent travelers ensures security with optional LTE connectivity for remote access. Vehicle nurse concerned with security delivers 24/7 protection with buffered parking mode. Conclusion: the Vantrue N2X Dual Dashcam offers a balanced combination features, performance, value. Its dual-channel recording, advanced night vision, and optional LTE connectivity make compelling choice for drivers seeking comprehensive in-car security. While there are additional costs for certain accessories, the base package provides essential functionalities suitable for most users. If you're looking for a reliable dashcam that covers both the road and interior, the Vantrue N2X is a strong contender in its category. final CTA. For more detailed insights and user experiences, consider watching the following review. Vantrue N2X review, best dashcam front and interior view for Uber drivers.